नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और आज के बैंकिंग अपडेट्स में कंट्रोवर्सी इरप्ट्स इन अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ एमडी एंड सीईओ ऑफ इंडियन बैंक, आरबीआई राइट्स लेटर टू फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री। आप 24 अप्रैल को उस फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ ब्यूरो के ने अपॉइंटमेंट किया था Shri Ashish Pandey. The Bureau recommends Shri Ashish Pandey for the position of MD and CEO in Indian banks. और उस संबंध में आरबीआई ने ये पत्र लिखा। In an unprecedented move, the Reserve Bank of India has raised serious concern regarding the behavior and conduct of Ashish Pandey, an executive director of Bank of Maharashtra, who is currently being considered for the role of managing director and CEO at Indian Bank. The RBI has communicated its observations to the Finance Ministry, urging them to consider these remarks while evaluating Pandey's suitability for this position. The candidature of Ashish Pandey, aged 54, has been shortlisted for the prestigious role of the MD and CEO at Indian Bank. However, his appointment is contingent upon final approval from the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet, which consists of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. The RBI's communication in April highlighted concern about Pandey's conduct during an exit meeting held in September 23 to discuss supervisory findings. The RBI deemed his behavior unfitting for his position and the responsibility associated with the regulatory compliance. The role of RBI and the Department of Financial Services during the mentioned exit meeting, Ashish Pandey's conduct was also witnessed by A.S. Rajiv, the then MD and CEO of the Bank of Maharashtra, who currently serves as the Vigilance Commissioner. The RBI subsequently conveyed its observation to the Department of Financial Services in the same month. It is worth noting that the Financial Services Institution Bureau, a government body responsible for selecting top management in public sector undertaking, had already recommended Pandey for the MD and the CEO position at Indian Bank. Government response and decision-making process. The government has acknowledged the RBI's communication and has responded to both the RBI and the Department of Personnel and the Training on the matter. The final decision regarding Ashish Pandey's appointment will rest with the Appointment Committee of the Cabinet. It is a crucial step as the SEC will consider the RBI's concern alongside other relevant factors before making a final determination. Implication and factor to consider. The RBI's observation have prompted the DFS to suggest that the comments be taken into account while evaluating the Pandey's candidature for the post of MD and CEO in public sector banks for the vacancy in the year 24-25. This recommendation emphasizes the need to ensure that candidates possess the necessary qualities and conduct themselves in a manner befitting their position, promoting regulatory compliance and fostering trust within the banking sector. The situation involving Ashish Pandey's candidature of the position of MD and CEO at Indian Bank highlights the importance of the maintaining high standard of conduct and integrity in the banking industry. The RBI's role in raising concern and the subsequent evaluation by the government serves as the crucial step in ensuring that the individual entrusted with the leadership positions in the banking sector uphold the principle of regulatory compliance and ethical conduct. ये ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि किसी टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव के अपॉइंटमेंट के बारे में आरबीआई ने प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा किया है और आरबीआई ने अपने कंसर्न को डीएफएस को इन्फॉर्म किया है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फिनांस को इन्फॉर्म किया है, ताकि जो कैबिनेट कमेटी की मीटिंग हो उसमें फाइनल करते समय श्री आशीष पांडे का नाम इस बात पर भी ध्यान दिया जाए और मिनिस्ट्री को भी रिजर्व बैंक के इस कंसर्न को ध्यान रखना चाहिए ताकि ऐसे व्यक्ति इस टॉप पोजीशन पे ना आए जो रेगुलेटरी कंप्लायंस और कंडक्ट में विश्वास न रखते हों। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।